What's up guys, Eric, Verus Engineering. We are joined today with PhD Racing, Jackie Ding and Alex with their M2. We're gonna be installing some dive planes. Let's get these right. So basically we're gonna be installing these. These basically improve front end downforce with the M2 by creating a strong vortex along the side of the car. We're gonna help evacuate that fender, which allows the front splitter diffuser to actually function a little bit better. They do produce a little bit of downforce on the units themselves, but most of the function is actually down the side of the car and creating that strong vortex. That's what we focus on in CFD. That's what we do here at Verus Engineering. What you need to do to install this kit is basically have some scissors, some 50-50 isopropyl water alcohol mix, a microfiber, and some painter's tape to tape that template on. After that, it's pretty much cut and paste onto your car. All right, so on this side of the car, you can see we have the template installed with some painter's tape according to the guidelines on the template, which I believe are saying to basically use this bumper inlet and probably what else did it say? Did it say anything else?
It says the wheel well, I think.
Wheel well.
Yeah.
And then this bumper. From there, we have our dive planes, which are nicely installed with some 3M at this point. Isopropyl alcohol on the dive plane, isopropyl alcohol on the vehicle. We're going to peel off the red backing plate and then massage these dive planes according to the template into the bumper. Now, obviously, what I would recommend before you just throw it on the bumper, make sure that this actually lines up and makes sense, because you could have this installed incorrectly. So me eyeballing it, looks like the bumper contour really follows that dive plane. That's how it should be. So we're gonna move forward with throwing these on the car. But just something to keep in mind, you know, measure twice, cut once.